Guys, Coach here with this week's Plant of the Week. You know, a lot of times people kind of struggle about what to put out into a shady garden or a filtered sun, dappled shade type of garden. Here's one good answer, and you can pair this with small growing ferns, hosta, maybe some dwarf hydrangea. These guys here, this is the dwarf Astilbe. Only goes to about 16 inches high, not very tall at all. And you can see its beautiful, beautiful pink blooms in the late spring and early summer. I have a hard time pronouncing this one, but I'm going to say it's Younique, and it's Y-O-U-N-I-Q-U-E, Younique Astilbe. This one here is the silvery, silvery pink variety, and great selection from the Monrovia company. These guys are kind of an acid lover, so if you have a lot of pH in your soil, you want to damp that down and get it down to neutral or slightly below. I think they work best at a pH of about 6, but they're not so demanding as a blueberry that needs something like 4.5. Yep. Dwarf Astilbe. You can find these pretty much anywhere, and there are hundreds of varieties. I just happened to pick this one. Just remember to pair it with some of the other shade-loving guys as well.